students, this is the part 2 of the series that I started on ICC 10 biology. That is, I'll be covering all the chapters, what to study from each chapter, followed by all the answers from the back of the textbook questions. So I'm doing the questions today. I have marked the 1 mark questions already in the textbook, so that I don't think these require any explanation. They are straightforward questions. Certain things like odd one out you need to focus on. Whenever an odd one out is given, please don't write which is the odd one out. That is not enough. That you have to write. But then other than that, you should also write what the rest of the terms belong to, like thyroid, adrenal, pituitary. What are they? They are the glands, isn't it? Endocrine gland. So the rest belong to endocrine gland. That also you should write, other than which is the odd one out. So please keep that in mind. I think the rest are self-explanatory. Match the following is done both ways. This gives you an idea what all kind of questions can come. These are the repeated questions again. All right. So again, one more odd one out is given. I've written the answer down for you. Here, any doubt? I think everything is self-explanatory. I'm not required to explain. Here, when they ask the main function of vasopressin, children end up writing the first point that is given in the textbook. That is, it helps in the constriction of the blood vessel and all. Write this point, that is reabsorption of water from the kidney, because that is the chief function. All right. So please write that. Other than that, I think everything remains self-explanatory. Here again, this question: if you stand to make your maiden speech before a large audience, this I've always seen children writing points, but then which are not complete. All right, so please write. It is because of adrenaline rush. First point. Second point: due whenever adrenaline is pumped into the system, it excites the sympathetic nervous system and suppresses the parasympathetic nervous system. Second point. Third point is that during this process, it suppresses the digestive processes, including salivation, and this is why your mouth dries up. Okay, so mouth dries up explanation is done. Heart rate increasing is because of the sympathetic nervous system, that is adrenaline rush again. Yeah. Probably you don't know the answer to this. If you don't know, please write it. Vasopressin effects are given, but then oversecretion is not given. So you may write that down. I guess that's it from this chapter. Most of the questions are self-explanatory. I think the questions that I've circled, I've explained in the previous video what to write. These are the questions that you feel you know, but then you make small errors. All right. Here, there is another question. Is there any duct to carry the secretions from the structure numbered 2? Thyroid gland. And you end up writing probably isthmus, which is not correct. It's not a gland. It's a connecting part between both the sides. Okay. So what is the answer to this? No. No, it is not having any ducts. It is not having any duct because it is an endocrine gland. That is your answer there. Error in the question. What is the error in the question? The error in the question, the two diagrams given. B has an error. What is the error? Hormone is not poured directly into the blood vessel in the picture. You can see here. In this, it is correct. Gland hormonal secretion directly into the blood, and it acts on the target organ again directly. All right. In this picture, second picture, if you notice, it is the secretion is towards some cells. From the cells, it is going to the bloodstream. Again, when it is getting out also towards the target organ, it is going through some other cells or something, which is incorrect. So that's the incorrect statement. All right. I hope you're clear with all this. If any doubts, please connect with me through the comment box. I'll be continuing this series. Please let me know which chapter to do next. Thank you.